Greetings, my name is Visara Joyce Mgobo. I'm a final year student studying Bachelor of Engineering Technology in Electrical Engineering at Central University of Technology in Bloemfontein. This is my project for the year. It is called a wireless communication technology. A wireless communication technology is a transfer of information between 2 points or more without the use of electrical conductor. Due to high rates of injury and duties on workplace, this project will implement a good thing to prevent severe accidents from happening in the workplace. The workplace will have a company that is authorized, and that will be a health and safety inspector that will monitor every movement that is happening in the workplace. The health and safety inspector will be able to monitor everything, and when an error occurs for a very long time, then the wireless communication will then appear in where the health and safety inspector will contact emergency contacts to go to the workplace to prevent severe accidents from happening. In this scenario, the industrial workplace will deal with strong chemicals that are produced and generated, also packed by the employees. In this scenario, the ultrasonic sensor will sense the distance in between of the packed packages with the use of forklift used by the employees. If the distance in between the forklift is less than 10 centimeters, it will show on the LCD that it is too close, and immediately it will show with the servo that it will open emergency exit doors at an angle of 90 degrees. This will also show that if the packages are too close, they will cause a very serious concussion with two chemicals coming together. When an error is happening for a very long time, it will indicate with the red LED in the workplace that there is an error, and also with the sound of the buzzer. And also it will show on the LCD that the packages are very too close. So the employee must have a space that is 10 centimeters away from each package. Also, coming to the water sensor will then sense the liquid chemicals. This will be a demonstration as it is a tank. When the tank is at 0, it means that it is 0. When the tank is at 1, it will show that the tank is full with the digital print. Using the sensor, also it will sense the water in the tank. So putting the sensor in the tank, it will show on the LCD that it is over limit, and also with an indication of red LED, and also with the indication of buzzer. These both two sensors will open emergency exit doors at an angle of 90 degrees. Also, coming to the temperature sensor. The temperature sensor will sense the temperature in the workplace. The workplace will have chemicals that are being produced, meaning the steam of the temperature in that room must never increase to over 60 degrees. Coming to use a box matches, I will increase the temperature in the workplace. As I increase the temperature in the workplace, being the chemicals being hot or generated, it will indicate with a blue LED, and on the LCD it will show that the temperature is over 60 degrees. This will make all employees to make sure that they cool off the chemicals so that they cannot inhale too much chemicals that will affect the insides of the body. So now coming to my ThinkSpeak. My ThinkSpeak, as you can see here on the serial monitor, it updates every second and also shows the real-time measuring of the sensors. So now the health and safety inspector of the workplace will be able to see every movement happening here with the temperature sensor and also with the water sensor. As you can see, it has updated in less than a minute ago. The health and safety inspector will monitor the workplace so that when an error occurs for a very long time, the inspector will be able to contact the emergency contacts. The emergency contacts are the nearest hospital and also the nearest police. These professionals will go to the place to rescue the employees and also to monitor and check with the professionals that everything is healthy and everything is safe. With this project, it will implement a good use so that in workplaces, many will not have severe sicknesses that will affect them in the future. This will make sure that every employee is well saved when an error occurs. They will be well assured that when an error occurs, a health inspector or also professionals will come to examine their bodies and make sure that they get the rightful treatment at the right time. Thank you.